What's up, guys? April 2nd. We're going to keep trying to do this every day. So here's another one. It's like an 80 something old Buster Suzuki. We're going to get it tuned up and running. So I'm going to get you guys a video. Be sure and like and subscribe. Time Machine ATVs, share. You guys share some of these videos. Share them to the groups that are relative. So then when y'all see this sitting, you ain't as scared of it, and you know that it's simple shit to get it going. I was offering this quad up for $225 for 2 weeks. Everybody's bullshitting me, so I'm gonna clean the card and we're gonna try and get $750 out of it and see what's what. Now I'm a little worried because that wasn't even bolted on, just come right off. I pulled this carb right out, didn't even need a tool, so hopefully this card isn't spotless, but none of the fuel lines were hooked up and stuff, and I've seen it start. All right, gently take your pliers or a flathead, keep your hand underneath the bowl and get that gasket loose. She's pretty clean, guys. This one's stuck, it feels like. There she goes. And this one will come out, I do believe. No, there ain't one, it's just that one. So is it missing the fucking choke? Yeah. Yep. Just missing a piece to the choke because somebody's obviously been into this carb. Really. I do have these other intakes that may or may not work, but the shitty thing is with the fuel pump, you get kind of scared that it'll dump too much fuel to this, but let's see what happens here. See if we can even get this in here. We might need a heat gun to make it work, but let's see. From this heat gun, I was able to get her to go in. It feels pretty tight too. I'm just gonna have to put a clamp on there the old-fashioned way. Funnel some gas to it so we can see it run, and then also make sure the fuel pump works, because with the engine running, it should pump some fuel. What should happen when we start it here is whichever one of these is the fuel hose, assuming the switch is on, it should start shooting fuel out of it. I think it's this one. If I can accomplish that, then I'm gonna push it outside and let it kind of dump this tank loose. Nice. Didn't even have to choke the bitch. That should start pissing fuel out somewhere if the fuel pump's good. That's not pumping shit. That's not pumping shit. So I'm gonna pull this wheel off, pull that guard off, and see about the damn fuel pump. So I might have figured something out here. What I did was I added a little more fuel before I took the tank off, and then I took this line out and it was sucking air real hard through the intake like it's supposed to, and I put it on that line and let it run until the bike died, and it actually got the vacuum going. Now you can see the pump kicking fuel. Hell yeah. So now the plan's to shoot a little out of this, and I want to get the stuff from the bottom, so I put a little more gas in the tank. We're gonna pump it out until it looks like something we're willing to deal with, which it don't look too bad now. Go inside and do the seat, and then I'm gonna come out here, put it on, put on a new filter, bolt these plastics down, change this cheesy fuel line that likes kinking, and so we got the blue for the Suzuki, black for the Yamaha from yesterday. We're gonna get them done. Went ahead and covered the seat. Look pretty damn good. She runs good. Things I gotta do, straighten up some of this wiring that's loose up here. That's pretty much it. Reset my parking brake, hold on. Look at all this Suzuki power, boys. Oh man, look how fast that damn Suzuki is. Holy crap. That's 2 down. So, go pick us another.